Now, I'm not sure what book, whether you're on X, whether you're on Discord, but you've probably heard that on our Discord channel and some of our sister channels as well, we have something called Stacy Wallet. And on Stacy Wallet, you can transact Raptoreum coins and a host of other coins as well to your friends in various different ways, be it rain or phrase related or 2FA related and things like that. But a lot of you don't realize that we have quite substantial communities on our Telegram channels, and something that they were hugely missing since our inception was the the equal transactability of Raptoreum across their friends in these different ways. So I just want to say a big thank you to Jamardis, who has finished work. Well, I say finished work, he's never really finished, has he? Who has built a Telegram-based Raptorus connected bot. I know that a lot of you already use Raptorus a lot to track your nodes and other things like that, such as network data and other things. But now you are able to transact Raptoreum across friends in Telegram, be it active rain, or be it direct to a wallet, or be it direct to a username, or a random selection of people, depending on how you want to distribute it. So it's I think it's going to really be great for our Telegram communities out there. It's going to really allow us to give initiatives and little competitions and other things like that amongst some of our country leaders that are on our team. It's a tool within their grasp that their communities can actually use. So I'm just going to go through a bit of a run through of a post I made earlier about this. I did post on the Discord, I posted on X, and that just goes to all the other channels as well. So it is a new way for Telegram users to send and receive Raptoreum within the app. A little bit like Stacy Wallet on Discord, but now it's in Telegram. So why is this cool? Well, you can now send Raptoreum user to user or user to wallet right in the Telegram channel. And you can send, as I've just mentioned, send RTM to specific users, send RTM to wallet addresses, send RTM to a random selection of users, and send RTM to the top active users within the channels. This is pretty cool as well, because it sort of incentivizes community participation. And I assume that people are going to start putting like periods or full stops, as we call them, in the channel to try and get their active sort of participation. But I'm sure Mancini will patch that up in a future iteration of Raptorus with Raptoreum transactions. But yeah, it's a really cool thing for the Telegram users, and something that's really been missing in the project since we started, on the back of the success of Tree, our lead developer's Stacy Wallet. So you can use similar commands in the way they are typed out as the Discord wallet. So if you join the channel, send one message, you automatically get a wallet. You can start the Raptorus bot in DM and check out your address. If you want to check out the commands for that, you can actually check out the help within that, just /help, I think it is. Jamardis, if I'm wrong, please do chime in on the YouTube channel right now. But for example, rtm.send one RTM and then at the user. You could do rtm.send one and then just put the RTM address. You can do rtm.send 10A5, and that'll do 10 RTM between 5 active people, and the most active person will get the most RTM. So this is the incentive. So if 100 was sent, then it would be graded in the most active people. Then rtm.send 10R5, and that'll just be a random 5 people in the chat who have who have typed at least once in the chat. So this is pretty cool. The activity is actually measured per 24 hours, so it's not like of all time. If you want to get in that grading of being active, then you must be active within the last 24 hours. I think that's a fair feature to have, so it prevents people really spamming the chat and then history deciding on who gets the most, which is wrong, really. So yeah, distribution is weighted by engagement, as it should be. As you know, this fantastic bot has only just been released by Jamardis, and although we have been testing it in a separate testing environment for probably a couple of months now, we do want to reiterate to you all, please only send small amounts, only load your wallets up with small amounts while this is still in early stages, while there's still a few things to patch over. And the last thing we need is people to lose millions of RTM. Not saying you're going to, but you know, you never know what's going to happen in cryptocurrency, so we want to make sure that it's fully tested properly amongst you all, while the last few issues and niggles are ironed out by Jamardis himself. So currently only user transactions succeed if the user actually has a username, and also you have to make a comment at least once as well. So it won't just send to strangers, if you get what I'm saying. Once we are happy with the way it's working in the main Raptoreum Telegram channel, we're then going to be rolling it out into some of the other popular channels that we run, including RTM Russian and also RTM Spanish. So that's something for everyone to look forward to. Again, huge thank you to Jamardis for making this happen. Jamardis has pushed through as he always does. Doesn't matter what's going on with everything else around him, doesn't matter what's going on in the world, doesn't matter what's going on with markets or price. He's just continued to build and you know, made things happen that people previously said weren't possible. So I'm sure I just saw Hunter do a big clap. I think we should all give Jamardis a clap.
Yeah. There you go. Golf clap. Yeah, there we
go. So if you want to go and check that out at our Telegram channel, I'm sure Fudweiser might send that into the YouTube channel right now. But it is t.me/Raptoreum with 2 M's. 2 M's on the end. Long story, but I'm not going to tell you now. So that's that. Excellent stuff, and please go and check that out. Jamardis is also giving us a bit of a snapshot into the future of this bot. There is going to be extra sort of rain qualities to that, similar to what you get on the Discord. Also, he has got his sights on full asset integration into Raptorus as well, and that includes creation and also transactability of these assets as well. So I would expect Jamardis would then have graphical qualities to the transacted assets as well, so people can actually see what's being sent and received, be it either the you know, logo that's connected to the asset or the NFT or the corresponding file underneath the IPFS, depending on if he can crack the code in different ways of sending IPFS file systems. So yes, exciting stuff. And Tree, if you are listening to what Jamardis has created, I certainly think you should get the ball rolling on the Discord bot, because Jamardis is really catching up, and he might overtake you soon, especially with assets integration in a community environment, which is what everyone wants, including myself. So yes, get it done, Tree. Come on, we're all waiting for you.
You need to get the golf clap, Tree. Yes, that's waiting for you.